Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XDC from Robinhood to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Robinhood and want to move it to Gemini for better security or trading options, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check platform updates since crypto rules can change. First, ensure you have verified accounts on both Robinhood and Gemini, and that you have some XDC in your Robinhood wallet. XDC, or XDC Network Coin, is a popular crypto, so let's get you transferred safely. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app or website and log in securely. Head to your portfolio and locate your XDC holdings. Step 2. Select the XDC asset and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually under a menu like Crypto or Actions. Step 3. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This includes the amount of XDC you want to transfer and the receiving wallet address from Gemini. To get that, quickly switch to the Gemini app or site. Log in, go to your wallet, and copy the XDC deposit address. Make sure it's for XDC specifically to avoid errors. Step 4. Back on Robinhood, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything, as crypto transfers are irreversible. You'll also see network fees, so factor those in. Step 5. Review and confirm the transaction. Robinhood will process it, and it might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once done, head back to Gemini. Step 6. In Gemini, check your wallet for the incoming XDC. It should show up shortly after confirmation. Pro tip: use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe, and never share your private keys. That's it. You've successfully transferred your XDC. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto guides. See you next time.